Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well and taking good care of yourself. As you remember, students, in the last video, we completed the difficult words and word meanings of the chapter 1 in English. So, students, today I am going to teach you a very interesting topic, that is sentence. So, on this note, let's begin our chapter 1, the sentence in grammar. So, students, do you know what is sentence? What is the meaning of sentence? Okay. I mean, in our day-to-day life, while reading, writing, speaking, we use so many sentences. Complete sentences. So, can you define it? What is the definition of the sentence? Okay, now I tell you. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Now, which makes complete sense? Means the words should be in proper form and it should be a meaningful sense. Now, students, you always have to remember two things while writing a sentence. Now, what are that things? Whatever the first word, the word is always be start with the capital letter. That means the sentence should always be started with the capital letter. And if it is not, that is not your sentence. Second, a full stop must be placed at the end of the sentence. You should always put a full stop whenever you end your sentence. Got it? Let us see some examples now. First, is dancing beer the? Does it make any sense? Is it meaningful? No. We cannot call it a sentence. But if we arrange these words in a proper way, then it would be a sentence. The bear is dancing. Now, it is a sentence. Yes, it is a sentence. It is meaningful. It makes sense now. Second, a bird. Now, a bird what? A bird is singing. A bird is sitting on the tree. So, a bird what? This is incomplete. We cannot call it a sentence. But if we say a bird is eating food, now this makes a complete sense. This is called sentence. Similarly, in the third example, eating noodles. Now, eating noodles what? Is it meaningful? Does it make any sense? No. If we say they are cooking noodles, they like noodles, so eating noodles what? This is meaningless. This is incomplete sentence. But if we say they are eating noodles, now this makes a complete sense. This is called a sentence. Next example. Was little Appu elephant? He is simply a group of jumbled words. We cannot call it a sentence. But when we say Appu was a little elephant, this is a sentence. So you got it? Appu was a little elephant. It makes a proper sense. It is meaningful. That's why we are calling it a sentence. Now, a sentence always makes complete sense. Alright? Now, next example. The girl is swinging. Now you can see the first letter of this sentence is small, and at the end of the sentence full stop is not placed. So this is not a sentence because the first letter should be capital and the full stop should be placed at the end of the sentence. If I write the girl is swinging, now this is a sentence because first letter of this sentence is capital and the full stop is placed at the end of the sentence. That's why we can call it a sentence. Similarly, look at the another example. She is washing her hands with soap. This is not the sentence because here S is small and full stop is not placed at the end of the sentence. So S should be capital and full stop should be placed at the end of the sentence. If I write, she is washing her hands with soap. Now this is a sentence because S is capital and full stop is placed at the end of the sentence, and this sentence makes a proper sense. She is washing her hands with soap. Now, I hope you all understood the chapter. Let's revise the important points. First, a sentence should always make complete sense. Second, it begins with capital letter. Whatever you write, whatever sentence you are making, the first letter should always be capital. It ends with full stop. Similarly, whatever you are writing, whatever you are talking about, the full stop should always be placed at the end of the sentence. So students, try to make new sentences, correct sentences at your homes. Till then, bye. Take care of yourself. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.